Um, I don't know of a deep course per se, but I'll tell you what I did that really helped me a lot is if you go to the OpenAI website and you go to their developer section and you start looking at their API documentation, OpenAI has an excellent section for documentation. And they actually walk through an example of how to create your own model using ChatGPT. They use the example of the Tokyo Olympics, so, the last Olympics, not the current ones, but the last Olympics. So they use an example of how they build a LLM that can answer questions about the Tokyo Olympics. And I really appreciate the way they walk you through it because it's just laid out really, really well. So if you want to know about ChatGPT, go straight to the source.